Hello everyone, welcome to class 12 physics classes. In this video we will study electric field lines. Electric field lines are the imaginary smooth curves in space to experience electric field over there. It provides a means to visualize the electric field. Suppose this is an electric field lines due to two charges. Suppose here is a positive charge and here is a negative charge, point charge. This is an electric field line. If I put a test charge Q0, positive charge Q0 here, so it will go in this direction toward negative charge because it is a positive charge. It will go in this direction. So it is therefore electric field lines is the path along which a unit positive charge would move if it is free to do so. So it is an imaginary smooth curves. Electric field lines are imaginary smooth curves. These are imaginary smooth curves in space to experience electric field over there. Now characteristics of electric field lines. Characteristics of electric field lines. Characteristics of electric field lines. Number first, electric field lines always originate from positive charges and terminate at negative charges. Like this, electric field lines always originate from positive charge and terminate at negative charges. Therefore, these line of force do not form closed loop because it originates from positive charge and terminate at negative charges. So, electric field lines of forces originate from positive charge and terminate at negative charge. Number second, these are always smooth curves. If we draw magnetic field lines like this, it is not possible. These are smooth curves like this. Suppose positive, negative. It is not possible. Positive, negative, possible. These are always smooth curves. And tangent at any point gives the direction of field lines. If we draw a tangent at any point, it will be the direction of electric field lines. Number third, two lines of forces never intersect at a common point. Two lines of forces never intersect at a common point. Suppose here is a positive charge and here is a negative charge, and this is an electric field lines. Now suppose here one more electric field line if we draw a tangent at this common point, for this it will be like this, and for this tangent will be like this. So we can see that at common point there are two directions of electric field lines, which is not possible. So two line of forces never intersect at a common point. If they do so, it would mean two different directions of electric field at the point of intersection, which is not possible. Number 4, crowding of electric field lines indicate relative strength of electric field. Crowding of electric field lines indicate relative strength of electric field. Again, suppose this is a positive charge and these are electric field lines from this charge. Now if we draw a common surface, one is here, one is here. Common means the shape and size of both surfaces are equal. So we can see that in this surface there is only one electric field lines, and at this surface there are three electric field lines. So electric field, suppose this is point A and this is point B. So crowding of electric field lines indicate relative strength of electric field. So electric field at B is greater than electric field at A. This is a property of electric field line. Number 5, when the line starts from a surface or terminate at the surface, they make right angle. When the line starts from the surface or terminate at the surface, they make right angle. It means at starting point or at terminating point, electric field lines make right angle to the surface. They make right angle to the surface. So these are the properties of electric field line. Electric field line is an imaginary smooth curve in space to experience electric field over there. If we put a charge at any point, its direction will be in the direction of electric field line. Its characteristic, first they are originate from positive charge and terminate at negative charge. These are smooth curves, not sharp curves. And tangent at any point gives the direction of electric field lines. Two line of force never intersect each other. If they do so, there will be two direction of electric field lines, which is not possible. Crowding of electric field line indicate relative strength of electric field. Where crowding will be more, electric field strength will be more. Last, when line of force starts from the surface or terminate at the surface, they makes right angle. At a starting point or at terminating point, electric field lines makes right angle.